Hello guys, time for another Hermes unboxing. Hermes unboxing. Well, actual boxing. Okay, this was shipped from another store because I couldn't get it, but I bought it in the store. It's one of the other things from my Hermes haul that I bought in the store. Okay, but I couldn't get, so I had to ship it. Okay, so we're gonna do a quick unboxing and talk about it. Okay, that's all. Okay, what is it? Surprise! I think you might know. You probably know. If you've been watching, you know. Anyway. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, Shopaholique, and today we're doing a quick Hermes unboxing. Not Hermes.com, a box shipped from something I bought in the store for my last visit. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around, please smash the like button, please consider subscribing, and keep on watching. It's a big one. It's a big girl. It's a big box, and I'm really excited for this one. So I'm gonna, do the normal thing and unbox it the other way, and then bring it back here. I'm also posting those shorts now. Everything I post on TikTok is going to be on shorts now. But please go check me out and follow me there too right now because I have a much wider presence there and I do post a lot more there. But I am going to try to post it more here and then also move it to Instagram too. So if you don't follow me on Instagram or TikTok, please go follow me both of those places. If you don't have TikTok, that's fine. If you have Instagram, please follow me there. And I'm going to start doing I'm going to keep doing a lot more short form content, okay? Do you guys like the short form content? I do. Okay, so I unboxed it on the TikToks. Here it is. It was in a big box. There's a lot to get out. Have you guys gotten Hermes dog bag stuff? Do we like Hermes dog bag stuff? Do we want more Hermes dog stuff? Pick the ribbon out. I was trying to get my little helper to help me, but he is sitting over there and doesn't want to go. Come here, Trey. Let's see if he'll come. He's not coming. Okay, anyway, this is what we got. I already took it out, but I don't think I want to keep it because I realized that. Okay, so it was Hermes Dog, so it was for try. We tried a couple of different things on it. I want to use the rest of my credit, and I was like, oh, this is fine. And he liked it in the store, but he won't even sit on it now. So what we got is this Rocco Bar dog mat bed thing. It's supposed to be a blanket slash like a dog mat for him to like lie on and a blanket because he's like literally all he does is sleep in our Hermes bag. He sleeps in my Hermes bag blanket and Andrew's Hermes blanket, and he's ruined Andrew's one, which Andrew just got. And he keeps going to mine and like nuzzling in it, which is fine, but like I kind of want that for me and this for him. So we got this for him. Plus it was way cheaper. It was $500 something. But then I saw this other one. There's a Rocco Bar horse one, which is supposed to go over the side of the horse, but it's literally huge and it's like $80 more. So I might get that because I feel like that would be something more he would lie into. This feels more almost like a dog mat. And that would be like a blanket he can nuzzle into. So I'm gonna try to get that instead. I'm gonna swap these and see if I can get that because I just opened this. It got like I said, it got shipped to me because I didn't want the one that they had in the store because it was like the floor model. Yeah, and I wanted it, so they got this ship from Madison, so it just came. But I think I'm going to ask if I can swap this and just pay the $80 difference and get the other one, which is blanket. And it comes in 3 other colors. It comes in this color. This one, the one in this color is actually like $200 more for some reason because I think it's two-sided, like you can use it both ways. But I don't need to be decided, I don't care. The other ones are $600 something, and it comes in a rouge ash color, a blue something, and then a yellow, like a jaune something color. So I might get that. Anyway, I don't know. Have you guys gotten Hermes dog bag stuff? Do we like Hermes dog bag stuff? Do we want more Hermes dog stuff? I don't know. It seems it's good and it's great, but also like kind of pricey. Like I was looking at the leash and the collar and these other things. And maybe I'll do another video about Hermes dog and Hermes animals and stuff like that. But I think it is a good category to buy in if you have a pet. I think it's definitely a good category to buy in if you have a pet so that you can build your profile in a different category that's not the normal category because not everyone buys in this category, especially the horse category. So if you get the horse blanket or the horse, I don't know how much the saddle is, but the blanket's not that bad. It's $660 and I think it's a pretty good, again, affordable. Not that bad is relative, but $660 for it. As Birkin bait, I think is not bad to use as a blanket for your animal, for your dog, or for your cat, or for yourself. I mean, maybe that's like a hack to get a $660 blanket, instead of the $1,800 or $1,700 Avalon blanket. But it doesn't. Obviously, it's this pattern, and it doesn't say the H's anywhere, which is different. But I do have one of those blankets, and I really like that too because I think it's a little more subtle, whatever. So it's up to you. Anyway, I love you all. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please consider subscribing. Please smash the like button. Please show their friends and family. Hit each share with your earnings. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. I appreciate you spending your time with me. I'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye.